Good morning, everyone. I am Eroko Aime. I'm a master's thesis student at China University of Technology in South Africa, Pretoria, the capital city of South Africa. So today I would like just to explain what microorganisms are capable to do. So microorganisms are useful for our research in terms of biotechnological aspects. So now I would like to explain why I am using halophilic bacteria to treat water. We know that South Africa is a semi-arid country where we are facing the shortage of water. Now we are looking for an alternative way to produce water to the population, to livestock production, and also for agricultural purposes. So in my research, I would like to explain why I am doing it. We are doing it by going and collecting some samples from companies like Anglo-American Corporation and Aime Eroko area, where we have to take the sterile bottle, collecting sample wastewater from the brine coming from reverse osmosis stage, and then put it in the sterile bottle in the ice box so that we can transport all the stuff to our laboratory. Now we are coming to identify. First of all, we have to isolate and identify our halophilic bacteria. Firstly, we have the Watman paper that helps us to filter our sample, and then we are going to look for the PCR, meaning that we are going to see the metagenomic aspect to see what bacteria or what microorganism we have inside our sample. So easily we are going to take our sample by the PCR, and then we have also to look some morphological aspects by using the gram staining. By using the gram staining, we are going to see whether we have the gram coloration is positive or negative, and then we are going to see the morphological aspect by doing some microscopy tests using the microscope. So now we are going to send our sample to the Incaba. Incaba is there to sequence our sample. And by sequencing, we are going to know whether we have bacteria or not. The PCR machine are going also to show us some strain if we have DNA inside or not. So now, by doing some sequencing, we are going to identify whether we have halophilic bacteria or we do not have. And those halophilic bacteria, we are going to make some optimization. By optimizing, we are going to see whether they are capable to remove NaCl, whether they are capable to grow in the temperature higher than usual, or whether we are going to see if they are capable also to consume our carbon source. For my research, I have seen the glucose like carbon source. So with those parameters, after optimizing, we are going to see if they are able to remove salt from our brine sample. By removing salt from our brine sample, we are going to see the alternative way, whether we can collect also our seawater or ocean water to see if those organisms are capable to remove quickly. So for that research, I think that the biological aspects are good for our research. So helpfully, we think that our experiments are going to grow with our support. We need many scientists to help us in that way, because it is the first time that we are implementing that experiment in South Africa. So we are calling for people, to help in that way. We would like also to thank the corporation, Anglo-American Corporation. We would like also to thank our faculty, the Faculty of Science at the China University of Technology, and also the supervisor who are guiding us in the right track about that project, because it is the new project implemented in South Africa where we are treating biologically brine and wastewater. So thank you everyone, and we are waiting your suggestion. So for us, a Commonwealth youth, I am assuming, I am subjecting that one so that we can provide water in sub-Saharan area in the world. Because according to the United Nations, saying in 2005 and 25, we are going to face the shortage of 50% of shortage water. And then by 2075, we are going to deal also in the same shortage, but now it will increase according to the rate at the 75%. So we need to work very hardly with that project. That is why I am subjecting this aspect. Thank you everyone, and thank you for everything that you have done for us. Thank you, Commonwealth. Bye.